TAZI Profiler for data quality, validation, and enrichment as a service. How to use TAZI Profiler. When you log into the TAZI Profiler, you can click the plus button at the bottom of the screen and connect to your data source by clicking the Create New Data Source button. You can connect to a wide variety of inputs. Let's quickly use a CSV input file to see the results. Upload times depend on your file size and connection type. For instance, uploading a file with 20,000 lines and 83 rows just takes a few seconds. When the upload is complete, you should select your target feature to be able to see more detailed results. Based on this selection, the system can show the relevance of your features with any given target. The Enable Composite Recommendation option creates advanced independent variables from the existing feature set, such as combining two different criteria automatically. When the process is completed, you can see the histograms showing the distribution of the feature values on the right side of the screen. There is also a category-based feature histogram here, which enables you to easily analyze the same feature values based on each target category. On the left side of the screen, you can see various statistics and relevance scores that show the predictive contribution of features. The default sorting order of the features is relevance. However, you can always change your sorting criteria. You can preview your data here without going back to the original data source and check the data columns, instances, and row counts at the top. You can also see the occurrence matrix to check the count and percentage details of the feature values and download as a CSV file. As one of the most important functionalities, you can access automated feature engineering, selection, and default value recommendations. Here, you can also see warnings showing any unexpected data behavior. For instance, a feature may have data leakage and should not be used. These recommendations enable you to learn what needs to be done to your data for better results. You can review the reasons before exporting TAZI's recommendations to a JSON file. With this option, you can export the data enrichment recommendations. You can select different options for export, such as JSON, XLSX, and PDF file formats. You can export provided statistics and recommendations together to download and discuss further before applying changes to your data. Are you ready to get started? Get TAZI Profiler on Azure Marketplace now. For more information, email us at info@tazi.ai or visit us at tazi.ai. TAZI, Next Generation AI.